Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with
Shawarma Truck Anomalies.
and in this game what do we do?
So basically run a shawarma food truck and
We try not to save anomaly.
yeah.
So let's get right into it. So you guys are watching?
My POV.
Alright, let's get into it. June 15, 1985.
That's a while back, bro.
Shawarma Truck.
Oh.
And by the way guys, this is our game of course.
That's a big shawarma on the shawarma truck, bro. Bro, I'm big as my bed, bro. So I'm waking up.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, yo, what's up, bro? Can you move your big back self? Oh yeah, I think we have to turn it off.
Midnight already.
Midnight, alright.
Perfect time to sell food.
That is not the perfect time.
Keys. Where'd I put them this time?
Bro, there is so much lying. Oh, I found it.
There it is.
There it is. Yeah, this is
You've gotta be kidding me. Nothing left.
yeah.
Alright, market run first.
Oh, we gotta drive. Oh, yeah. Y'all know I'm a good driver. From the driver, but from the car hobby, but then I was blind. I'm not a good driver.
Whoa. Jesus, the deer.
Welcome.
Oh, hey, bro.
Supplies are in the back aisle. Take your time.
So back eye. Salad. Lavish. The sauce. Wait, we already have sauce. Grab that. The lavish got the meat. Apparently the shawarma was the meat. Answer the food.
Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with the lavash.
Lavish.
Put it on the counter. Then you're gonna slice the meat and add it to the lavash. After that, add toppings, salad, sauce, cheese.
Yep.
One more thing, if a customer's eyes are white,
I'm going
don't
to
serve them.
shit.
Close the shutter. I marked your first stop on the map. Good luck.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro.
I'm a sit please on my hand.
Okay, bro. Oh, do I sit? Okay, I sit. Take a sat. Wrong way, bro. They're turning on the handling on this truck.
No? It's horror game that I when I handle it like this.
Let's be real. No horror games have trucks. Okay.
We have some. We just have to play it. Why these people?
You are walking awfully slow, man.
You can't see them.
Open the shutter. How do I open the shutter? Oh yes, there's a switch. Right?
Hey, I'll take a shawarma with sauce, cheese, and salad. And a cola on the side.
Cheese and salad. Sauce, cheese, and salad. Where is the lavish?
This shit. I think I'm gonna look outside.
Sauce, cheese, and salad. Just roll it up real quick. Take. Yeah, bro. I was missing the color.
That's why.
Wait
We
for
do not change
customers.
stats.
Yep.
And do all that.
Don't worry, I'm a professional.
And do the next one, and do the one after the next.
Well, looks like a zombie.
Hey, can you make it quick?
Interesting attitude.
Shawarma, cheese, and salad
Make sure you
only.
got white eyes.
No drink.
Shawarma, cheese, and salad. Oh my god, that's
Are you done yet?
Here.
Yeah.
And do
You
the next
shouldn't
one.
be out this late.
Oh. I was about to say, did we just cook ourselves already?
Yeah, man. There is a big hand, bro.
Remember, watch the eyes.
I saw that there, bro.
Oh, hello, dear.
You asked us for milk and cookies again, bro?
Could I have a shawarma
Before I
with
find
salad, no
you
cheese?
salad, no cheese. Just toss it up real quick. And throw it at grandma.
Here you go.
Okay.
I can't do that properly.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Takes a lot of practice.
Okay, bro. That's a professional.
Alright, bro. Where is the lights? How do we turn it back on? Oh, look it, behind you.
Okay. Oh, this is that.
Shawarma.
Your mouth
That's
is wide
anomaly.
open.
Just shawarma.
Just
Why
shawarma.
if you just close it?
First of all, even if they didn't tell us not to say the white eyes, bro is not even saying what he wants.
Close
Just shawarma.
Close the shutter, bro. Dang.
Yeah, that's enough.
I ain't follow him.
Why are you
Not
following
staying.
him, bro?
Bro just disappeared. Leave the cup.
My turn. Never mind, the handle. It's
We
pretty
should find a
nice.
place
I
to
told
stop
you.
soon.
Should find a place to
There's
stop.
gotta be something up ahead.
It's got to be something up there. Park the truck. Oh yeah. Wait for the customers. Okay. How is bro walking, bro? Bro walking like he has money in his
Now let me
pocket.
try this again.
Hello, you. I'll take a shawarma. Just lavash and shawarma.
Alright, bro.
Just love it.
And a
So
cola.
how did you do that? How did you? Why? By the way, I didn't even know. See, we have a punch
You're
button.
very calm. Most people get jumpy this late.
You get used to it.
Calm suits you.
You have to throw it at him.
Wow, bro.
What do you mean, wow, bro?
You're not there, you make me waste.
Alright, guys. You wanted a quote? Who is bro?
Busy night?
Yes, a very busy night.
Something like that.
Interesting.
Mixed
that.
shawarma.
Mixed shawarma. Okay. All of them, I think. Take it and eat it. And
Here.
yeah.
You do it?
Yep.
Thanks.
Thanks.
I wanna
You ever
try
notice
this
how
one.
quiet it gets near water?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
TV on top, bro. So you can watch the order.
I think that's oh,
Don't
that's
like
it,
this.
She's hungry.
yeah. No.
So let's just close
Meat.
the shutter.
Only meat.
Like, I tired of people who walk like this, bro. Is that never
I'll have a shawarma.
I'll have a shawarma.
Cheese
Why is
and
there a
salad
pigeon
only.
in my? Oh my.
cheese and salad. Oh, do that, let's do that.
Alright, bro.
Here you go.
I tell you, that job,
Thanks.
that job. This is the worst job. I've been to better jobs than this.
Have to fuel up, refuel. What is that, gang?
リンゴ持ってる
Oh, that's the
No,
thing
we
from
don't.
Death Note.
ないのじゃあお前が持ってるものをよこせ
Close the shutter. I think that's
We are closed at the moment, sir.
ここにはもう人間らしさなんて残っていない
I think he has normally.
I don't like this place.
He says close the shutter also. Oh,
I think
should probably still do.
it's time to go.
Leave the leg. Oh, let me sit down, bro.
Nope.
I sit down too, man. That's a W model, bro.
Let's see if I can go and pass it.
W parking.
I know I pack it early.
Wait for the customer.
The kappa. The cap.
Nice car boy in that park too. Oh, deadly parking, bro. You got to love the
Hey,
park.
cheese shawarma
Hey, cheese shawarma.
and the cola.
And the cola. Get the cola for bro. Alright, bro, I'll take it.
Good boy.
I'm never giving you.
Here you go.
Thanks.
What's up?
Hey man, shawarma. Put everything
Oh,
on it.
wait, they have VC on.
I need the calories.
Yeah.
I didn't
No
hear, bro, because
cola,
of
too much sugar.
no cola, too much sugar. Take this.
You guys always work this late?
Yeah.
Most nights.
Take it easy.
Wait for customers.
I'll wait for even more customers, bro. Are you a customer, bro?
This lady looks good. Where? I'm gonna watch all the faces and see who
She's
comes.
drunk, she's
Hi,
woman,
can you make
bro.
it fast?
Guys.
Shawarma. Just sauce and salad.
Okay, bro. Bro, I am locked in, bro.
Here you go.
There you go.
Perfect, thanks.
I would like
I'll
a
do it.
shawarma with meat and cheese.
Oh my god, you fooled me. I thought it was actually something. Who's that?
No.
Can I get a shawarma?
That's speed.
Do you even have any money for it?
Off brand.
Hey, please, man, I
Grandma.
need it.
Oh,
I'm
bro,
serious,
come
bro. I'm starving. So you're not giving me one?
on. Nope. Why is speed? Nope. Wait, we can punch. We can punch. I'm punching him through the wall.
Come outside and show them.
Oh yeah. This. Why is speed attacking us, bro?
Get out! Get out! Right, fighting.
Bro, you're like, oh
Bro,
my
side
god.
backing. I think that's speed.
Yeah, that's actually speed, bro. His speed was a little more fat and off-brand. Oh hell no!
That?
Close that thing, bro.
Hello.
The monster want to come that one.
All I need is one shawarma. Give it to me.
No.
Just lavash and salad.
Bye bye.
Hello, you. Wait, I think I know you.
No, we do not.
I don't
mean,
think we
wait,
met
you
before.
do. Where the GR do, of course you know.
Yeah.
Anyway,
it's very, very popular.
Shawarma, no cola.
Take it, bro.
Thanks. I'll see you around, maybe.
I'll see you around, maybe.
Why is Bigfoot coming? Hell no.
Bigfoot? Hey, let me see.
What is that?
What is the white eye?
Oh, makes sense.
I think it wants food.
Somebody else going to start attacking, bro.
You guys running this thing?
Yep.
Yeah. Good. I need a ride.
Once it's good, I need a ride.
Where to? Nearest gas station.
Get to the network. I think yes.
Yeah, he is.
Give me one chance.
He looks normal.
I just know what I.
All right. Get in.
Oh, get a badge.
What does he say? I can't see.
Psycho.
Yeah.
Don't eat. Start eating our shawarma, right?
I'm watching once I drive.
Time to leave.
Yeah. Watch it. Don't do anything stupid and back there. You heard me?
Wait.
Yo, what is going on?
What was that?
Did you do that? Check the back of the truck. Hell no. Did you do that, bro? He tried that. Close the back door. How did I close it? Oh no, there's a one top.
What is this?
Drive.
Start the truck. We need to go now.
Watch it. No, get away. Drive. I'm actually dead, bro.
Yeah.
It's chasing you. It's on me. I'm dead. Why is it looking slow?
Let's go.
Why you mean let's go? I am so far away from the. Let's go. I'm on 10 health, by the way. That's good for you, bro. Really low on the grass.
Pal. You're on your own. Stay sharp out there. If you ever need a hand, I'll be around.
Get up. Probably like what they want to say.
Yeah, bro.
Are you good now?
We have to enter the market. Buy supplies. Lavish.
Whenever it slows down.
These guys is like fighting, bro.
Let's talk about heads up too.
To leave. They'll. Fight it to try. Let's go.
There's a car up ahead.
The car. Oh my god, why did we have to stop? And why am I outside? Talk to the strangers? Hell no. My mom told me not to talk to strangers, bro.
But we have to do it.
No, we don't. We don't have to do it, bro.
We can put it forward and we try to
Thank God you stopped.
A priest. Ooh.
What happened to your car?
It just died. Can you help us?
everybody was just one.
I know, right, bro? Alright, bro.
This is the last time I say yes.
Yeah. Fix the car.
I just got some badge again for the forward.
The help.
Wow.
I knew it. I knew it. So I died.
Hold on. There's no sign. Fuel's dropping. There's a building up ahead. I'll stop there. Nope, not staying here. What was that?
Oh, hello. You bring food, yes?
Yeah.
I need one mixed shawarma.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the subscribe button. If you want us to continue, let us know down below. And yeah, any after this boy.
Suggest any other Roblox games and games outside Roblox we should play.
And yeah.
Peace.